I'm sexy and I know it.
Okay, hi guys. We are at Merciful Redeemer. This is my friend Cassie, my pork chop friend.
I think I'm too tall for this.
So we are going.
Oh my god, it's Stuart.
Stuart
I'm looking for a single piece of string.
for her name tag.
The name tag stuff's probably upstairs.
Miri told us to come down here.
String.
One string and the whole lot. Oh, there's you! What a mission! Just that took long enough. That was funny.
Oh, like this. I'm so like handicapped.
I love how it's like shoelaces.
I know, it's really retarded.
But now you have two.
Yeah, no, now I have two name tags.
Yeah, but one's
One
missing.
One says crew. The other says Cassie. This one's not that important.
Very true. Wait, hold on. All right, we're gonna go to church now. We're gonna pray.
Go.
We're gonna go pray to God.
We're gonna go pray.
Yeah.
We're gonna sing.
Yes. We're gonna praise the Lord.
And I'm like frozen because it's freezing outside. I
I'm
can't
wearing
feel my
two
nose.
sweaters. Like, hold on. Like, there's like one sweater. There's like my boyfriend's sweater. Awesome.
Aww.
Oh, yo, I gotta show you. Okay, hi guys. We're back. Yeah, we're back from. Are you okay? Yeah.
No, let's watch. Got an engagement ring.
Shut up. Okay, so we just finished church.
Put like face on my.
Okay, hold on. We gotta sign in. Yeah, you stole my pen.
See, I'm grade 12. I'm awesome. My name's not even on here.
Let's see what my name is here. Yeah, mine's here. Oh, mine's here, guys. Hold on. Oh, it's unfocused, but it's right there.
first one.
Alicia, you're the first one. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. So basically, we just finished church. So this is my friend Alicia.
Hi,
This is my friend Nicole.
I love you.
I love you too, girl. I love you. I love you. Okay. Okay, so can you sign myself in then?
You're in grade 9.
Yes, I'm right here.
Oh, my little portrait. You don't
have to.
Yes.
I feel proud. I can like legally sign you in as an adult.
Just sign me in, please.
I'm gonna do your initials.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah, we were having fun at mass. We were making fun of people.
Wait, how'd that happen? Oh god.
Guess what, guys? We're planning a wedding. Just getting married. I'm not getting married.
Wait, where's the ring? Okay, like, is this not an engagement ring? Just saying.
Yeah. Cassie, I love you. I love you.
It's the boyfriend.
Okay, yeah. This is my boyfriend, guys.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Who gave her?
Oh God, Cassie, don't.
By the way,
Okay, so we'll just go now. Okay. See you later. Alright, right now we are doing the chicken dance. Everybody's doing the chicken dance.
I'm sexy and I know it.